I'm streaming. I am streaming. Why am I streaming? Because I installed Omarchy Linux and I want to try it out live for you guys. You can see Omarchy Linux. So Omarchy, as the name suggests, is a Arch-based Linux. So I use Arch, by the way. And you know what? I've been using it in my desktop here at the university for the last I don't know 2 weeks. I installed it. I haven't been able to use it a lot. However, I've been enjoying it, and I'm still waiting to install it in my laptop. But and you know what's holding me back from installing it in my laptop is exactly the fact that one of the apps I really need, it's like I can't get it to work, so I'm working with the developers to get it to work. Anyway, so what I want to do here is I want to devote a few days uh, or a few minutes a week to, or a day actually, to practice something, because along with Omarchy, you inherit Vim. This is insane. So I've always been reluctant to use Vim as my editor. I'm a Sublime text guy. And hey, there's someone here, Farhan. Hi, Farhan, how are you? Um, and Vim, so this got me, you know, I'm in my 40s. I need something to do midlife crisis on. So I guess learning Vim is a pretty good thing to do. So I'm here with a fresh install of Omarchy. This is how lazy Vim comes. And what I'm going to do to practice is this guy, the Primogen, has set up a nice little game within Vim for you to get to learn how to move around. So I installed this yesterday on my laptop on Ubuntu, but today I'm going to install it here, and then I'm just going to play the game for a while, and then I'm going to call it quits. But this is the nice thing about Omarchy. It comes with a Hyperland desktop manager, so everything just tiles, everything is smooth. So I love it. And yesterday I installed the game here in my lazy Vim configuration, but on my laptop. So it's very easy, and I'm using AI to you know to speed or you know lower the slope on some of the learning curve here. So let's see, where was this? Install Vim Be Good. So this is what I want to install, and this was pretty easy. Everything I needed to do was to add something to the plugins here. So basically, I'm gonna move over to that. Yeah, let's fire up a terminal. So let's go to .config and Vim, and I should have Lua. And in here, I should have plugins. So in there, and I should add a new plugin. So then create or open. So in Vim Be Good. Let's do this. Copy from here, paste there. I'm in Vim, by the way, and I should copy this code and paste it in Vim. To paste it in Vim, I will key, and that should be it. So escape, WQ, how to escape Vim. There we go. And then the next time I open up NeoVim, which I do like this, there we go. The plugin is that, yeah, all that garbage that I didn't understand at all actually means that that the plugin got installed. So we should be good to go, and I should do semi or colon and should be able to do Vim Be Good, and we can see it there. And let's fire it up. So this is a nice little game. I'm going to close ChatGPT. And so this is what I'm going to practice for a while in the coming days, every day. I might stream all of it or none of it. I've already begun working on my Vim chops. So let's do one. For example, here to start one of these games, I need to go to the line. So press J to go down, and I'll go there. And let's start that HJKL. Now, the fun thing about Vim is you can turn on, so set relative line numbers. This is pretty powerful. So now my line numbers on the side, they are relative. So that means I can do relative jumps. So let me just show you real quick how that looks like. Let's go to HJKL. So I want to jump to line, you know, relative line 12 or relative line 9. So I'll go 9J, and that's a jump. and then I'll delete that line. In order to delete that line, I need to do DD. And with DD, I'm starting the game. So the point of the game is to move around, and I already don't have, I need to move around, and watch me be clumsy with this. So basically up, left, left, and I should erase that character with X. Okay, so I'm gonna go right, up, I can't do this. So watch me be clumsy. It's okay. Down, I'm just practicing up, and go down and to the left, and down, erase, down, 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 left, left. There we go. So my average was 3.49. Let's see if we can do better. So I'm going to replay, go down 2 and DD to delete, and let's start over. This is what it looks like. I could do a relative jump for J, and then 2 to the right, so it's okay. Down, 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 left, left, down, 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 left, left, up, 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 left. Yeah, I feel I'm getting a bit better. So the point is you need to practice until this becomes somehow second nature. And I should be able to do this while I'm talking, so my brain is not focusing. So 2.61, that's better. Let's go replace, so 5J DD. There we go. There's people watching. Hi guys. Hi people. I don't know who you are. And delete here, and go down, 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 delete, down, 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 right, delete, and left, or right, I guess right, up, delete, down, down. There we go. Let's get those X's. They deserve nothing but obliteration. Ah! And as I talk, I screw up my game. Yeah, that was a bit worse. It felt a bit worse. 2.85. I'm gonna do the next one silent to see if I can get a better result. So let's go 4J DD. Let's go. Silent. 1.95, that's much better, isn't it? Okay, I want to show you something else. There's this other game you can play. So Command B to bring up a browser. And I'll go here, Vim game. Let's see, or Vim game. Vim Adventures, this is the one. So this one, actually, now it's a paid game. So this is a game that is played with Vim bindings. Now, one important thing about the Vim bindings, I've been trying to figure out, is how to put my hands. So I am somewhat of a touch typer. So that means my index fingers go to the little knobs in the keyboard, in the F and the J key, naturally, and then I don't look while I type. Often I don't look. I guess 95% of the time. Sometimes I have to look at stuff, but most of the times I'm not looking. Now for Vim, HJKL, so J, where my index finger is, if I want to go towards the left, that's the H key. I need to move my index finger one over to the right. So you can see the dark dot there going to the right and then to the left, left. So to go left, I need to move my index finger over. And ergonomically, I think it would be better for my four fingers to be placed in the HJKL, but that would break my regular insert typing. So just the regular typing with when I'm writing words. So and I think there's two schools of thought regarding Vim. One is just keep your hands the same way as you type and move your index finger one over to H as you need to go left. And the other one is just switch everything and just displace one key to the left, all your fingers. I'm not gonna do that, but that would make it so that I had to place in my long finger. What's this finger called in English? I need to place that one on the J with the knob, and I'm not doing that. So this little game. Oh, last time I played this, I was much clumsier. So this is a nice game you can play, and the thing about this game is it's $35, and it's a 6-month access for $35. I mean, that's expensive. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna stick to the Primogen game. Although yeah, admittedly, this is super fun. So I was enjoying playing this, and this last keystroke was not in English because I have a Spanish keyboard. I guess that's another problem for the Vim key bindings, is that it might make it a bit of a challenge, the fact that I am in a Spanish keyboard. So you can do stuff like moving around, and I don't know why I'm not why I'm just a black dot and not some character with a sword or something. But let's go up here and I'll get that treasure. Oh, you need the yellow key. Okay, of course. So the yellow key is, let's go over here and then down and then towards the right, and let's go and get that stuff. Let's zoom over and zoom over there. I have the key. I have the key. And then towards, let's just go over here and then down. I am much better at this game. I played a little bit 2 days ago and I sucked at it. And then after doing some practicing, I feel the chops. I feel the chops getting it. The other thing about this enterprise is that I really do need something to challenge myself that might pay off in my day-to-day basis. I think Vim will pay off, and I want to program and I want to be efficient because I don't have a lot of time. I'm already good with Sublime, but I just feel that just seeing what other people do with Vim, I think it's a better match for me. Yes, indeed. Okay, so I hope this stream is the beginning of a new arc where I start making more videos for you guys. I've been wanting to for the longest time, just don't have much time. So with that, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm Jose Abel, a civil engineer. See you next time.